My name is Ben Martin from Ecological Australia. I'm here at the moment sampling the Western Floodplain at Warrego National Park 6 months after the most recent flood. We're sampling fish in this dam here to see how they use the Western Floodplain. We've just pulled in a net out of a dam on the Western Floodplain, and it looks like we've got a nice mixture of bony brim, carp, and there's one turtle in there. So we're finished at this site now. In total we've got 4 native species: Hercules catfish, yellow belly, bony brim and spangled perch, and we also managed to dispose of 150 carp, mostly young, but one large carp.